Good morning, this is Kasturi De. Today I'm going to continue with the discussion of the question answer series of the force and pressure chapter according to ICC syllabus class 8. Okay, so I'm starting with the true and false, which I last started with. Okay, I'll continue with that true and false section. Okay, so 22nd number question: more the density of the liquid, less the pressure it exerts. It's the statement is false because more the density of the liquid, more is the pressure in exerts. Okay, so liquid pressure is directly proportional to its density. So the statement is false. Liquids always seek their own level. That's true. At a given depth, a liquid exerts more pressure in downward direction than in the upward direction. That's false because liquid exerts pressure in all directions, and that is same. Okay, so dams are made thicker at the base to withstand huge pressure of water. It's false. It huge lateral pressure. Okay, use lateral pressure. Okay, that's why it has to be made thicker. Okay, that is sideways pressure, not at the base, but it's on the side, lateral pressure, that is. So thrust per unit volume is called pressure. That's true. 1 pascal is the pressure produced by a force of 1 kgf on a surface of 1 meter square. No, the statement is false because the force should be in 1 newton. Okay, it should be in SI unit, that is 1 newton. Okay, and the cross sectional area should be 1 meter square, then the pressure will be 1 pascal. Pressure increases with the increase in the surface area. False, it decreases in the, so if the surface area decreases, pressure increases because pressure is inversely proportional to the surface area. Then pressure, this pressure is the solid pressure, you can say, and the liquid pressure is independent of the surface area. Okay, so pressure excuse me, pressure decreases with the increase in the weight of an object. No, pressure increases with the increase in the weight of the object. So pressure is directly proportional to the weight of an object. So weight increases, pressure also increases. Long skis used by the skier, okay, reduce the pressure on the snow. That's true. The broader side on the thumb tag increases the pressure on the thumb. Okay, it reduces. Okay, the broader side, the thumb tag reduces the pressure on the thumb. See again, in both the questions 30 and 31, both the questions, the surface area, the cross sectional area, in the first one the long skis are used by the skier. Okay, so to reduce the pressure. In this case also, if we can see that the long skis, the cross sectional area increases, so it reduces the pressure to be exerted on the snow. In the 31st question, the broader side of the thumb, on the broader side the cross sectional area is more, so pressure will be reduced on the thumb. Okay, again, the blunt nail easily penetrates in the wood than a sharp nail. Again, it's false because sharp nail has a more cross sectional, sharp nail has less cross sectional area than a blunt nail. So the sharp nail exerts more pressure, okay, and than the blunt nail. And that means it's easy to drive in a sharp nail than a blunt nail. We need to exert more pressure in case of a blunt nail than a sharp nail. It easily inserts because it experiences more, slight force can increase the pressure. Then the edge of the knife is sharpened to increase the pressure. That's true. Foundations of the high-rise building are small. No, it's false. They are made wide to uh, withstand the high pressure of the building, huge building, high-rise building. Next we come to the correct, the incorrect statements. Okay, so first one is The pressure exerted by a liquid is inversely proportional to the density of the liquid. It is directly proportional, not inversely proportional. The pressure is in an enclosed liquid is transmitted unequally in all directions with diminished force. No, it is equally in all directions with undiminished force. Different liquids exert the same pressure at given depth. Same liquid exerts the same pressure at the given depth. Then deep sea divers wear specially designed suits to protect themselves from the deep sea creatures. No, to withstand the huge pressure of the water. Otherwise, that huge pressure of water would crush down their bodies. The moisture present in mercury increases the barometric height of simple barometer. No, moisture present, which if it is present in the mercury column in the barometer, simple barometer, it reduces because it will exert pressure on the barometer, on the mercury column, and the barometric height will decrease in height. When the piston of the common water pump is raised, its piston valve opens. No, its foot valve opens. Okay. When the piston valve is raised up, that reduces the pressure inside the area of V1, that is foot valve and the piston valve. Therefore, the foot valve open and the water gushes into the space. Okay. Then when the piston of the common water pump is lowered, its foot valve opens. That time when it is lowered, its piston valve opens. Okay. The vertical height of the mercury in a simple barometer is dependent on the area of the cross section of barometer tube, that is independent. Water barometer is possible provided barometer tube is 9 meter long. It is 10.34 meters long. Okay, that is an impracticable idea. It is very difficult as it will support 10.34 meter of water, and it's very difficult to have such a long tube. Okay, then we come to choose the most appropriate answer. With the increase in the weight of an object, the pressure increases, decreases, is not affected. None of these. The answer will be it increases. Weight increases, pressure also increases. 1 Pascal is the pressure produced by force of 1 Newton on 1 meter square. So B is the correct answer. At a given depth, a liquid exerts pressure in all directions. Okay. Then there are two similar beakers, A and B. The beaker A is filled with water and beaker B is filled with brine solution. Okay, brine solution is nothing but salt water solution. The pressure of water at the base of the beaker A is less than the beaker B. Okay, so pressure of water, the water is nothing but a liquid. So liquid pressure is directly proportional to density. So density of the brine solution is more than plain water. So plain water exerts less pressure than the brine solution. So the A option is the correct answer. The walls of the dams are thickened so as to withstand the pressure exerted by the weight of the dam, pressure exerted by the stored water. Okay, the answer is the stored water. It is exerted by the stored water. It is the lateral pressure, that is the pressure on the sides. It is more, lateral pressure is more. That's why the dam walls are thickened at the base. Then water is not used as a barometer liquid because it is difficult to have a barometer tube 11 meters long. That's very difficult. Water vapor vaporizes under the vacuum conditions. Okay, and the reading will be faulty. Water is a sticky substance, whereas mercury is non-sticky. So water sticks to the side of the glass tube. So all the three reasons are possible for this, for not making water as a barometric liquid. Next, The space above the mercury is in a simple barometer is known as Torresian vacuum after the scientist Torresi. Okay, the vertical height of mercury which a simple barometer can support at sea level is 76 centimeter. Okay, when the ink fountain pen leaks on high altitude, that means the pressure of air is less outside than the pressure of the ink inside the pen. Okay, so that's why the pressure that's why the ink comes out of the pen. Then pressure exerted at any point of an enclosed liquid is transmitted in all directions. Then pressure exerted by a liquid at a given point is directly proportional to the depth of the point in the liquid. Okay, it is directly proportional to the depth of the point of the liquid. With the increase in the weight of an object, the pressure increases. With the increase in the area of the contact of an object, the pressure decreases. Excuse me. In order to glide on snow, one must wear what? Flat and long skis to reduce the pressure on the snow. The rear wheels of the tank trailer have large number of wheels so that they reduce the pressure on the road. SI unit of moment of force is Newton meter. To obtain a given moment of force for turning a body, applying the force needed can be decreased by applying the force furthest from the pivot point. Because the furthest the perpendicular distance increases, the more the perpendicular distance from the pivot point, the more will be the moment of force, turning effect. Then the unit of thrust is kgf. Okay, in this case kgf, kg, Newton per meter square, or kgf per meter square is the first one, kgf. Okay, the pressure and thrust are related to C. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. A body weighing 5 kg placed on the surface of an area of 0.1 meter square exerts a thrust on the surface which is equal to B. Answer is B, that is 5 kgf, as thrust is equal to weight of the body. The feet of the lizards acts like suction pads. Okay. Then pressure exerted by a liquid is due to its weight. Pressure inside a liquid increases with increase in depth. Then nose bleeding may occur at a high altitude because the atmospheric pressure decreases outside and the body pressure increases, in comparison to the body pressure. So body pressure will be more than the outside pressure, so blood comes out from the nose. So I stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the question answers in my next video. Please go through this, and if you like, I hope you are liking the videos, and if you are liking it, please do press the like button and share with your friends so that they can be also be benefited from these videos. And also, if you are a new viewer to my channel or not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Okay, so please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box, and also you can also give a respond that if you want any live session to discuss the doubts and question answers. Okay, thank you.